Come to next one, beta. Important definitions. Some of the basic important definitions, beta, which you should always remember throughout the complete second year part affiliation. The first one is about your magnetic axis. Can you define what do you mean by magnetic axis, beta?
The
Magnetic.
axis through which the magnetic, like the two magnetic poles.
Yeah. So it is a region of what, beta? Apparent concentration where the magnetic poles have been concentrated. Like say, for example, if I'm taking this one as of your bar magnet, this one as of your bar magnet right now, and this is your pole strength of this one here, and this is your pole strength here right now. This is your EM and this is your EM. The line which has been passing touching these two poles, this is called as of your magnetic axis. It's called as of what, beta? Magnetic axis. This one is known as of your magnetic axis. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what is a magnetic axis, beta, right now for me? So these are the regions of what apparently concentrated magnetic strength on a magnet where the magnetic attraction is maximum. So the poles of the magnet lie somewhat inside the magnet and not on the geometrical ends. They are known as magnetic poles. If I'm talking about your magnetic axis, the line passing through the poles of the magnet. This line, the line passing through the poles of the magnet is called as of your magnetic axis of your magnet. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes.
Next one is about your magnetic equator. Magnetic equator. Okay, so magnetic equator. Okay, now if I'm taking this one as of your bar magnet, beta, and this is a pole strength here right now, M, and here there is a pole strength of your M. A line which has been passing through the center of this one. This will be called as of your what? Magnetic equator. So this one is your magnetic equator.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now. So what do you
Yes.
mean by magnetic equator? Line passing through the center of the magnet, and it is at right angles to the magnetic axis. It is right angles to the magnetic axis. This is making an angle of your 90 degrees. It's called as of what, beta? Magnetic
Magnet.
equator is known as of your magnetic equator. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next one, beta. Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law of magnetic force. Coulomb's law of your magnetic force. Other track has been started for you, beta.
Not yet, sir. Actually, I told you that, sir. That sir
Okay,
got
okay.
COVID, so
What do you mean by the Coulomb's law of magnetic force? It is same exactly similar to the gravitational force of attraction. So did you remember the gravitational force, beta? So gravitational force between the two masses M1 and M2. So what is the relation? Gravitational force of attraction formula. Just recollect it once. Force is directly proportional to the product of masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them.
square
What's
of
in the,
distance. Yes, sir.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Here
Square.
in the place of your masses, we'll be taking right now only the pole strength. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
what we say is that right now the force of attraction or repulsion between the magnetic poles is directly proportional to the product of their pole strength, and it is inversely proportional to the square of the distance
Square of
between.
distance. Yes.
Okay, now
Yes. M1, M2
I can write here. Yeah, force is
divided by
directly
V square.
proportional to your pole strength of your first one, product of the M1, and as well as of your M2, isn't it?
Yes,
So
sir.
force of attraction or repulsion is directly proportional. Attraction repulsion is directly proportional to what, beta? Pole strength, the product of their pole strength right now. It is directly proportional to product of their pole strength. And this magnetic force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them, that is R square. Combining these two equations, we'll be writing F is proportional to your, I can write this one as of your M1, M2 divided by your R square bit. Okay, removing this
Yes.
proportionality constant, we'll be getting F is equals to some constant known as of your K into your M1 into your M2 divided by your R square. Okay, K is nothing but
Yes,
what,
sir.
beta? Proportionality constant, which depends upon the nature of medium. K is nothing but what for me? Your proportionality constant. K is your proportionality constant. Proportionality constant, which depends on, which depends on what beta? It depends upon what?
Medium, sir.
Nature of the
Medium.
medium. It depends
Nature
upon
of
the
medium.
nature of your medium, whether it is air medium or whether it is a kerosene medium or whether it is an oil medium. So it all
Yes.
depends upon that value for the given conditions part of relation. And it is also depending upon the system of units chosen beta. And also depends on the system of units right now. I can say that it also depends upon your system of your units which have been chosen. Clear? So what is the K right now, beta? K is a proportionality constant and depends upon what? Nature of the medium, and also it depends upon what right now for me? The
System of
units which we are using, the units which we have been using. The experimental value of the K is being found out beta. The experimental value of the K is, I'll write here, see. The experimental value of your K is known as of your mu naught by your 4 pi. K value is taken as what beta? Mu naught by your 4 pi. Mu naught is known as of your permeability of your free space. Permeability of your free space. What do you mean by permeability of a free space? Permeability of a free space means allowing the number of magnetic lines of forces to pass. Like say to enter into your room, you have your door, isn't it? So by that door, we can say the 10 people can enter, 2 people can enter, 1 people can enter. So the number of magnetic lines of the forces which has been passing through a given area, that is called as of your what? Permeability of your free space. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Isn't it? So the value of this
Yes,
one
sir.
is mu naught value is experimentally is found to be 4 pi into 10 to the power of your minus 7. Unit is right now across the scientist name, that is Henry per your meter. Henry per your meter. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
So mu naught value is how much for me? 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7. So therefore now the force will become how much for me beta? Can you tell me? What will be the force right now for me? F is equals to your, this F will be equal to your, this will become for me mu naught by your 4 pi into your, this one is of your product of the pole strength M1 and M2 divided by distance between them, that is nothing but of your R square.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Mu
Yes,
naught
sir.
value already, substitute that value here of this one beta. So if I'm taking right now, say for example, if M1 is
4
equals to
pi
your
and 4 pi will
M2
get
is equals
cancelled.
to, say for example, 1 unit, and R also I'm taking it as of your 1 meter, then F will become how much beta? F will become for me your mu naught by your 4 pi.
Yes, sir.
That
4
is
pi,
equals
4
to
pi
mu
will
naught
get
value
cancelled.
is 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7 divided by your 4 pi. This 4 pi will get cancelled. So force is equals to how much for me? 10 to the
10 to the
power
power
of
of
your minus 7.
minus 7.
Unit will be equal to Newton. So force will be equal to your 10 to the power of minus 7 Newton. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the unit of magnetic pole may be defined as what beta? The pole which when placed in vacuum at a distance of your 1 meter from an identical pole, it will repel with a force of how much for me? 10 to the power of minus 7 Newton. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes, sir. Sir, now you mentioned vacuum, right, sir? So,
Yes, beta?
mu naught. Sir, so you mentioned vacuum, right, sir?
Yeah, mu naught is nothing but permeability of your free space. Now, if I'm talking about free space, means that free space can be your right now vacuum. So the unit of the
Sir, so
magnetic pole,
only in vacuum it is 4
yeah,
pi
in
into 10 to the
vacuum,
power
this
minus
force
7.
is generally 10 to the power of minus 7. If I'm taking any
Okay.
medium, then again it will be changing.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, so like mostly we'll get this only, sir. 4
Yeah,
pi
mostly
into
we'll
10
be
to the
getting
power
this value only basically
minus
in
7.
medium. Okay. So if M1 and
Okay,
M2 are
okay,
1
sir.
unit and R is equals to 1 meter, then force will be equal to how much for me? 10 to the power of minus 7 Newton. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
No doubt in this one, beta, in this force formula.
No, sir. Got it, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
You can do one small question based on this one. Say for example, if I'm having the two magnetic poles, one of which is 4 times stronger 4 times stronger than the other. 4 times stronger than the other, comma, exert a force of 5 GF 5 GF on each other when placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. Find the strength of each pole. Find the strength of each pole. Okay, now read the question carefully. We got the two magnetic poles, beta. We got the two magnetic poles, one of which is 4 times stronger than the other. That means if I'm taking M1 is equals to your M, M2 will become how much for me? 4 times of your M. Okay, and the force
Yes,
between
sir.
them is for me F is equals to 5GF. What do you mean by this 5GF means? That will be equal to 5. G value means 10 to the power of minus 3 kg into your force, kg force. So force value will be equal to how much for me? 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. And this kg force will be equal to 9.8 Newton and Earth. Okay, na?
Sir, why 10 to the power of minus 3, sir? Because of centimeter.
No,
Because
this
10
one is
centimeter.
grams, na? We're converting the
Yes, sir.
grams into kgs,
Kgs, okay, yes, sir.
isn't it? So 1 kg is equals to how much for me?
10 to the
1000
power
grams.
of minus. Yes, sir.
1 kg is equals to
1000
1000
grams.
grams.
Yes,
So 1 gram is how much? 10 to the power of minus 3 kg.
minus
That's
3
what happened.
kgs. Yes, sir.
Kg force
Okay,
means
sir.
9.8. Whenever you get kg force, you multiply it with your 9.8. When placed at a distance,
Okay,
that means R. R is equals to 10 centimeter. This is in SI system. This should also be in SI system. That means this will become for me how much better? 10 into 10 to the power of minus 2. That means this will become for me 0.1 meter. Okay.
yes, sir.
Now everything I got right
Yes.
now. Force formula I can use here. F is equals to your mu naught divided by your 4 pi into your, this one is your M1 into your M2 divided by your R square. So mu naught by 4 pi value is how much better? 10 to the power of minus 7.
Yes, sir. 10 to the power of minus
F
7.
value is how much for me over? 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 9.8. That is
Yes,
equals
sir.
to 10 to the power of your minus 7 into this one is your M1 is M. Another one is nothing but of your 4M. Divided by distance between them is equals to your 0.1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this
Yes,
will
sir.
become for me M square will be equal to your M square will be equal to your, this will be 5 into, this will be equal to your 9.8. This one is 5 into 9.8 into, this will become for me 0.1 into power I'm writing totally. That will become how much for me beta? This 4 will come down right now. So this will be the 4. 10 to the power of minus 3, 10 to the
Yes,
power
sir.
of 7. That will be equal to how much beta? 10 to the power of 4. Antena?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
వచ్చిందా మళ్ళీ సార్ చెప్పనా పవర్ వచ్చిందా
వచ్చింది, sir. Yes, sir.
M square is equal to 5 into 9.8 into 0.1 into 10 to the power of 4 divided by your 4. ఇదంతా వస్తుంది చూడు సార్ approximate గా. So this will be equal to your for me right now. This
So
will
that
be
we
equal
can
to
take
your
it as,
98
sir,
divided
we
by
can take,
9.8
sir,
is nothing but
9.
what? 98 divided by 10.
Yes, sir.
0.1 divided by 10. So this will be equal to 5 into 98 into, this one is nothing but 1 into 10 to the power of 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 divided by your 4. Antena?
Yes, sir.
Still anything is getting cancelled see in this one?
Sir, 4 and 9.
This 4 and this power will go right now here. How much it will be? This one is how much better?
Sir, it will become 10 to the power of 2, right, sir? 10 to the power of 2.
Yeah, this will become for me 10 to the power of 2. This will become how much for me? Can you tell me? This is 4 ones are. This will become how much for me?
423, 23 is our weekend.
4.
23s, 24s are we can take. So 24 point something we get.
చూడు అప్రాక్సిమేట్ గా 4 into 25 ఎంత వస్తుంది చూడు. 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. So this will be equal to 100 approximately.
4.
So I can
Yes,
take
sir.
25 approximate ga,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
isn't it? So this will become for me what, 10 to the power of, this is 5 into 25 into, this is how much for me, 10 to the power of 2 kada,
2, sir. Yes, sir.
isn't it? So
Yes, sir.
still anything getting cancer in this one beta.
25 into 5 we can try it, right, sir?
This is 10 to the power of 2. That means can I still simplify anything beta? Correct రాసిన మొత్తం. So it is 5
Yes.
into 0.8 into 0.1. Sorry, this one is whole square kadara ikkada.
Okay, yeah,
R,
yes, sir. R
so
square.
this,
Yes, sir.
this will be equal to 0.1. 0.1 whole square means that will become for me how much? 10 to the power of minus 4 ఇది. అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
అంతే కదా? 0.1 whole
Yes, sir.
square కదా. So this will be your 1
Yes,
by
sir.
10 whole square. 1 by 10 whole square means 10 to the power of
100, sir.
how much?
10 to the power of 10 to the power of
3, yeah, not 4.
10 to the power of 2 was.
So this is a 0.1 into 0.1 kada. That means 1 by 10 and 1 by 10. That means this will become for me 10 to the power of minus 3.
Yes, sir.
అవునా కదా?
Yes,
అంటే
sir.
this will become how much for me? This will become for me 10 to the power of minus 3. And
Cannot yield it, sir.
this will become how much for me right now? This one you see?
I into 25
Yeah. So this is 5 into 25 into this powers will go.
to 10.
How
Into
much it
10,
will
sir.
be? 10.
To the
Antena?
power of 1. Yes, sir.
10 to the power of 4 into 10 to the power of minus 3. That will be equal to 10.
Yes,
So
sir.
5 tens are, this one is 50 into your 25. That will be equal to 25.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Is anything else right now, beta? Calculation clear? Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you are getting right now 50 into your
250.
yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
this one is your m square.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So I got the value of this one approximately. So m means this will become how much for me, beta? M means if I'm removing the square, 20, 50 means that can be written as of your how much? 20, 25 can be written as 5.
Yes, sir. 5.
25 can be written as a 5. 50 means I can take approximate gada. This one is right now like 49 or something like this.
Yes, sir.
Because this is
Actually, it is
24 point something.
24.5, sir. Yes. Sir.
Yeah, 24.5 means this will become for me how much? 49. So this is approximately 49 gabati. 49 means that will become for me how much? 7. 7 sevens are 49. 5 fives are 25. 7 fives are, that will be equal to 35 ampere meter will be the answer for this one. Okay, so one pole strength is
Yes,
35.
sir.
Another one is how much for me? 4 times of your m, na? So that will be 4 into your 35. 4 into 35 means 5 fours are 20, 0 to 3 fours are 12. That will be equal to your 140 meters. So pole strength of the first one is how much for me? 1 m is equals to 35 ampere meter. Another one is 4m, that will be equal to 140 ampere meter. This is not meter, this is also your ampere meter.
Okay.
So this will be your answer square. Is it clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Achinda? Only thing
Yes,
is a
sir.
little bit of your calculation. That's it. Remaining everything is
Yes,
same.
sir.
Let us
Sir,
try to
once
do
can
one.
you show the whole question,
Yeah,
sir? Once suggestion.
I'll show it always.
Okay, sir.
Good.
Yes.
So, one more question. See here. We got two similar magnetic poles to similar magnetic poles. Two similar magnetic poles having pole strength in the ratio 1:2. 1:2 are placed 1 meter apart. So find the point where a unit pole experiences no net force due to the two poles. So read the question carefully once. We got two similar magnetic poles having the pole strength in the ratio how much beta? 1 is
Sir,
to
we
2.
can take it as M and 2M, right, sir?
Yeah, so they are M and another one is 2M, which have been placed 1 meter
R is
apart.
1 meter. Yes, sir. R is 1 meter.
Yeah. So I can write here right now. M1 is equals to how much for me? M. M2 will be equal to how much for me? 2M.
2M.
Okay.
Yes.
And distance between them is R is equal to how much for me? 1 meter. Okay. So two similar magnetic poles of pole strength are in the ratio 1:2 are being placed 1 meter apart. They are kept about 1 meter apart. Find the point where a unit pole means whose magnitude is equals to 1 experience no net force due to these two poles. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Let's say for
That point
example,
only I
here
didn't understand, sir.
there is your M and here there is your 2M, isn't it? So
Yes.
in between this one right now, we are keeping a unit pole. Unit pole means another one whose magnitude is equals to how much for me? 1. Another one whose magnitude is equals to your 1. And the distance between them is how much for me? 1 meter. Between these two pole strength, we are keeping the third one as of your unit 1, whose net force experience on these two poles will be equal to how much? That means when you're keeping this one, the net force acting on the M and 2M is becoming how much for me? 0. Okay, na?
Sir, once can you repeat that one, sir?
See, M and 2M, what are the nature for this one beta? Repulsive.
Yes,
Because
sir.
this is positive, this is positive.
Similar magnetic fields.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So they will be exerting the repulsion.
Yes.
Now, when you're keeping a third charge in between them, there is no effect of this third pole strength when that is been kept in between them.
Yes,
That
sir.
means the net force is becoming how much for me? 0.
Yes,
How many
sir.
forces are actually exerting better? This is exerting the force on this one, and this is also exerting the force on this one.
Okay, opposite direction cancel really come, but
Obviously,
in the right
they'll
side,
not
yes,
cancel.
sir.
Why cancel? Because this is 2M,
Because
this is
right
F.
side it is there. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Right side
So
there
there
will
will be
go
net
1
force
meter.
acting on this one. So because there are M and 2M, there will be certain
Yes.
amount of forces which has been exerting on this one. So this 2M
Yes,
will
sir.
exert the force on this one like this beta. This is the
Yes,
force.
sir.
This one I'm taking it as of your F2. And because of the F1, this is the force which has been acting on this one. This is your F1.
Yes,
Okay, na?
sir. Yes, sir.
Now this F1 and F2 are acting on this M, but this net force on this one is how much for me? 0. Net force on that one is equals to 0. That means this is your F net. F net will be equal to your F1 plus this one is nothing but minus of your F2. Can I write like this? That means this will
Yes,
be
sir.
equal to your F1 minus of F2. F net is how much for me? 0 is telling in the problem. So if it is 0
Yes, sir.
means F1 must be equal to how much for me? F2. Oh, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The force between these two, if I'm talking about right now, like say for example, the distance of this small m from the pole strength from the middle one is say for example, if it is x, the remaining distance will become how much for me beta? 1 minus x.
Yes, sir.
Ante na? See, if
Yes,
this
sir.
m is being kept somewhere from the pole strength m at distance x, the remaining distance will become how much for me? 1 minus x.
1 minus
So
x.
force
Yes.
will be equal to how much for me? What is the formula? Mu naught by your 4 pi into this one is your pole strength m. The value of this one is equals to how much for me? 1 divided by your x square will be
Yes,
equal
sir.
to your mu naught divided by your 4 pi into the pole strength of this one is nothing but equal to how much better? 2m. So that will be equal to your 2m into this is nothing but equal to your 1 divided by distance between them is how much? 1 minus of x whole square. So this mu naught by 4 pi, mu naught by 4 pi, this m and this m will get cancelled. So ultimately, if I'm writing the relation, I'll be writing this as 1 by x square is equals to your, this is a 2 divided by 1 minus of your x whole square,
Yes.
isn't it? So
Cross
now if I'm taking this
multiplication.
one here right now, 1 minus of your x whole square will be equal to 2 into your x square. Can write like this,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? So or else I can write this one if I'm removing this square root right now. So this will become for me how much better? So if I'm removing this one, this will become for me 1 minus x will be equal to how much for me? Root 2
Root of.
into your x,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? So x will
Yes.
become how much for me beta? X will value will become how much for me? 1 minus of your x, this is root 2 into your x. So
Yes,
x value
sir.
will become how much for me? All the x terms you take on one side, na?
Yes, sir. And
This is
root
your 1
1 by
is
root 2,
equals
sir.
to, this one is root 2 into your x plus of your x. This
Yes,
will be
sir.
equal to root 2 plus 1 into your x,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? So x value is equals to how much for me beta? X value is equals to, it is
1 by
1 by
root
root
2
2 plus
plus
of
1.
your 1. So this is the
Yes.
value of your x.
Sir, so actually here we have to divide the 2 into 2 halves and then equate, right, sir?
Which one beta?
The magnet, sir, we have to divide it into 2 halves and then equate it, right?
No. He has given me the magnetic poles. Already there is one pole here and there is another one pole here. That means this is
Yes,
a
sir.
bar magnet here right now like this, and this is a bar magnet heavy like this.
Yes, sir. No,
Okay,
sir.
this is
What
a
I'm
unit.
telling is, sir, what I'm telling
Hmm.
is, when we are like calculating it, we took it as m into 1 because that middle m is equals to 1,
Yeah,
right?
because we are calculating the force between this M and this M. The first
Okay,
one
sir.
and the center one. Next one is then
Yes,
the
sir. And
last one
later
and the
2m
center one.
into m. 2m into 1.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
because the net force acting on that one will be equal to how much for me? Zero, na? Because there
0.
is a
Yes, sir.
small charge which has been kept in between them. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
An idea?
Yes, sir.
So that is a way how do we get the questions based upon this one. And you should be a little bit careful about your directions. So if you are very clear about your directions, the remaining calculations will be automatically will be carried out with that. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
We are done about the properties of the lines, kada?
Yes, sir. The magnetic field.
Properties of your bar magnet, we have done it.
Yes,
Actually.
sir.
Give this one better. Magnetic field, magnetic field due to a monopole actually doesn't exist. But if I'm
So,
talking about for your monopole means
only
only
north or
one
only
single
south.
pole is been present. Like say for example, here there is a pole of your M, and we need to calculate the force because of this one at a certain distance somewhere here at a point of your A. And the value of the pole strength of this one is equals to how much for me? Unit mass R at a distance of your small r. So magnetic field at your point A will be equal to how much better? What will be the magnetic field right now? Or the force acting on that one will be equal to how much? Can you tell me? So magnetic field or magnetic force, I'll write first. This will be magnetic force, Raskana. Magnetic force. So F will be equal to how much beta? Mu naught by your 4 pi into your, it will be your M divided by R square.
Yes, sir. Because m into 1 is
Yeah. So if it is a north pole, this will be away beta. And if it is a south pole, this will be towards like this. Okay. Is it clear?
yes, sir.
అర్థమైంది అది నేను చెప్పింది ఏంటి?
Sir, but like
నార్త్
what
పోల్
is the
నుంచి magnetic force will be going in outward direction. Na? If this is a bar magnet,
yes, sir.
and here
Got
if
it,
it is
got
a
it.
north
Yes.
pole and this is a south pole, If this
Yes,
was have been in north pole, then the magnetic lines of the field would have been in the outward direction like this. That's what I mean to say.
yes.
If this monopole is only the south pole, then the direction of the magnetic field will be inward.
Inward, yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. That's why it is. SS means towards them.
Yeah, that's it.
Yes,
Okay, now?
yes, sir.
Sure. Next one is, if I'm talking about the magnetic field, magnetic field, magnetic field, represented by your B bar. Magnetic field is nothing but beta, the space around the unit charge or unit, what do you call that one? North pole or south pole, up to which this influence can be felt. Like say if it is
Yes,
a
sir.
north pole beta, from this north pole, you know that magnetic lines of the fields will be going in which direction beta? Outward direction, like
Yes,
this,
sir.
isn't it? So generally from the north pole, the direction of the magnetic field will be going in the outward direction right now, isn't it? And this north pole is having a certain region up to which it can exert the power, like a bar magnets, if we can take, they will be exerting the
Yes, sir.
power only up to certain distance, Gada. So I can
Yes, sir.
right now, this is the region up to which this north pole or south pole can exert the force. That field is called as of your what for me? Magnetic field. Is it clear? So magnetic
Yes,
field is
sir.
nothing
Sir,
but
so
equal to
the
your magnetic field is force per your unit mass. Sorry, unit pole strength.
yes,
F
sir.
divided by your F. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
What will be the unit for this one? Force is measured in Newton
Newton.
and pole
Yes,
strength
sir.
is measured in your ampere meter.
Per meter. Yes, sir. Newton
Okay,
per
now.
ampere
Now,
meter.
what is the
Yes, sir.
force formula, beta? Yeah, force formula is how much for me? F is equals to your mu naught by your 4 pi
4
into
pi
m
into
into m.
M1.
This will be equal to your m square divided by your r square divided by this is your m. This m square, this square will get cancelled. So magnetic field will become how much for me, beta? Magnetic field will become for me B is equals to your mu naught by your 4 pi into your m by your r square. So this will be the magnetic field formula.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So magnetic field will be equal to how much better due to the one single pole B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into your m by your r square. And what do you mean by the magnetic field? Magnetic field is the lines are nothing but right now for me, the space up to which this bar magnet can exert the force is called as of your magnetic field. So
Magnetic
force
field.
per your unit pole strength of the bar magnet is called as of your magnetic field.
Magnetic
Force
field.
per unit pole strength. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Sir, we can also say the formula of magnetic field by the flux also, right, sir? Because phi
Yeah,
by
electric field ఎందుకు వచ్చింది మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఫీల్డ్ మనం చేయలేదు కదా. Do you have an idea related to electric field?
no, sir. Until that we did right, sir. Magnetic flux. Tone
Magnetic
చేశారు
flux
కదా,
we can
sir.
also do like that. Flux is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to B into area or B is equals to flux by area also you can write.
Yes, sir. That's what. అంటే అక్కడి నుంచే సార్ నేను చెప్పింది
Yeah,
flux.
that is also you can write out, no problem. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
So we got the magnetic field for this one and also the force right now for the given condition. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Let me give you one small example right now for this one. See, we got two magnetic poles, two like magnetic poles of strengths 5 ampere meter and 20 ampere meter are situated 1 meter apart, at what point at what point on the line joining the two poles will the magnetic field be zero. Magnetic field here right now, not magnetic force. Okay, na?
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Two like magnetic poles. That means here there is your one pole strength, and this one is your another pole strength. And both of them are of same nature, like say north pole and north pole. So there will be what repulsion between them,
Yes, sir.
and the distance between them is equals to how much for me? 1 meter. Distance between them is equals to 1 meter. What is telling right now in the problem? Two like magnetic poles of strength 5 ampere and 20 ampere. That means this one is your 5 ampere meter and this one is your 20 ampere meter, are situated 1 meter apart. At what point on the line joining? This is the line joining between these two. The two poles. Will the magnetic field will become zero? Like say somewhere here it is becoming zero on Kundam. Right now
Yes,
somewhere here I don't know. Here it is right now. The net magnetic field is becoming zero. This is a point Q on Kundam. Okay. Now this M1 will exert
yes,
the
sir.
force on this one, beta. This M2
Yes,
will
sir.
also exert the force. So I am writing the direction of the forces like this. So this will exert the force on this one like this. This will be equal to your magnetic field B1. And the magnetic field because of the M2 will be equal to your in this direction B2. That means B net, how do you write beta? B net at your Q will be equal to your, this will be B1 minus of your B2. Antena?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now B net on the Q is how much for me? 0. That means this one is B1 minus of your B2. That means B1 will be
Yes,
equal
sir.
to how much for me? B1 is
B2, sir.
equals to your B2. B1 is equals
Yes,
to
sir.
B2. B1 will be equal to how much for me? Mu naught by your 4 pi into your M divided by, if it is at a distance of your X, this distance will be equal to how much beta? 1 minus X.
1 minus x. Yes.
Isn't it? So I can write this one as of your X square, that is equals to mu naught divided by your 4 pi. This is M1 and this will be equal to M2 divided by, this is 1 minus of your X whole square. Mu naught by 4 pi,
Yes,
mu
sir.
naught by 4 pi will get cancelled. M1 is how much beta? 5 divided by your X square is equals to 20 divided by 1 minus of your X whole square. Antena?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. Now tell me why this point is only in between beta, why not outside?
Sir, because it must.
See, if I take this point somewhere here right now, this M2 will exert the force on this one direction. This M1 is also
Yes,
exerting
sir.
the force in this direction. This means P1 and B2 are in the same direction. So they get add up. They'll never
Same
become
direction.
zero.
Yes,
Anagada.
sir. It is not possible for it to
It is
become
not
zero.
possible. Even here it is not possible. If I
Yes,
take
sir.
the point Q here also, M1 is exerting the
Yes.
magnetic field here B1 and M2 is also exerting the magnetic field here B2 in this direction. Both of them are acting in the same
Okay.
direction. So here outside the M1 and outside the M2, it is not possible. You got that idea, na?
Yes, sir.
So
Got
why
it.
we are taking that point only in between them? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how much you got right now? This one, see. So this will
5
be equal to
minus
your
5x.
1 minus of your x whole square divided by your x square is equals to 20 divided by 5. That means this
Yes,
one
sir.
is 5 this is 5 4s are 20. That means this is 1 minus x divided by your x will be equal to how much beta? 2, can I write?
Yes, sir.
This will be 1 minus x will be equal to your 2x.
2x. Yes, sir.
So
This
minus
was
2x
going on.
equal, this will become for me 3x. So
Yes,
x
sir.
will become how much for me?
1
1
by
by
3.
3. 1 by 3 means 0.33,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? So this will be your x is equals to your 1 by 3, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, you put aeroplane mode, right, sir? If you put aeroplane mode again,
I'm getting some technical problem, beta.
sir, actually, you put aeroplane mode, right, sir? Means for calls not to come. If you put aeroplane mode again, the network also won't come, right, sir?